Get ready for a monumental shift with iOS 27, set to revolutionize your mobile experience. While we eagerly anticipate Apple's WWDC 2026 from our 2025 vantage point, all signs point to iOS 27 being the breakout star, especially with a completely revamped Siri. Prepare for Siri to transform into Apple's groundbreaking AI chatbot, possibly integrating powerful generative AI features across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. This isn't just an update, it's a dramatic leap into truly intelligent mobile assistants. Don't wait for the future. Check the description for links to compatible Apple products and accessories you can buy now to be ready. A surprising twist is CEO Tim Cook's final WWDC appearance, making this event historically significant beyond its tech reveals. Beyond Siri, iOS 27 is also rumored to bring stunning visual intelligence AI capabilities to your camera, promising unprecedented smart features for photos and videos. Keep an eye out for subtle yet crucial iOS 27 features that could hint at Apple's long-awaited first foldable iPhone, potentially codenamed iPhone Ultra or iPhone Fold, setting the stage for its potential late 2026 launch. This OS upgrade promises an incredibly smart, intuitive, and potentially foldable future for your iPhone.